Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, the weather's perfect. I love spending time in the park when it's sunny.
Me too. I come here almost every weekend.
Really? That's great. I'm Daniel, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Erica.
Nice to meet you too, Erica. So, do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away. And you?
I live about 10 minutes from here. I usually come to read or just relax.
That's nice. What are you reading?
Oh, it's a book about travel stories. I love learning about new places.
Same here. I like traveling too. Where's your favorite place you visited?
I'd say Japan. The food, the people, the culture, everything was amazing.
Wow. I've always wanted to go there.
You should. What about you? Have you traveled anywhere interesting?
Yes, I went to Italy last summer. The pizza there was the best I've ever had.
I can imagine. I love Italian food.
So, what do you do, Daniel?
I'm a student. I study business at the university. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I teach kids at a small language school.
Oh, that's cool. I'm trying to improve my English too.
Really? Well, you're doing great already.
Thanks. So, do you come to this park often?
Yeah, when I have free time. It's peaceful here.
Totally agree. Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Maybe. It was nice talking to you, Daniel.
Same here, Erica. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. I take it every day.
Oh, really? How long does it take?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Good. I have an interview at 10. I hope I'm not late.
Don't worry. The bus usually comes every 10 minutes.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
You'll do great. Just be confident.
I hope so. I really want this job.
You'll get it. I do feel it.
Thanks. That helps.
No problem. Do you take the bus often?
Not really. This is my first time downtown by bus.
You'll get used to it.
I hope so.
Look, here comes our bus.
Oh, great. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Good luck with your interview.
Thanks. I'll see you around.
Bye. Hey, Erica. Did you finish the homework?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I did it right.
Same here. The grammar part was confusing.
I always mix up was and were.
Me too. Let's ask the teacher later.
Good idea. By the way, want to practice speaking during the break?
Sure. Only English, okay?
Only English? That's hard.
Come on, we can do it.
Okay. What did you eat for breakfast today?
Pancakes. You?
Just coffee. I woke up late.
No wonder you look sleepy.
Hey, I'm awake now. English mode on.
Haha, good. What do you usually do on weekends?
I like reading and sometimes drawing. You?
I play guitar and go jogging sometimes.
Nice. Maybe you can teach me guitar one day?
Sure. And I can draw a little too.
That sounds fun.
It's good practice for English too.
True. Let's keep talking like this.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Hey, Daniel, are you free this Saturday?
Yeah, why?
It's my birthday. I'm having a small party at my house.
Wow, happy early birthday. What time?
Around 6 p.m. There will be food, music, and games.
That sounds fun. Can I bring anything?
Just yourself. Maybe some drinks if you want.
Sure, I'll bring soda.
Perfect. Wear something comfortable. We might dance.
I can't dance well, but I'll try.
That's okay. It's just for fun.
Nice. Who else is coming?
A few friends from school. Nothing big.
Sounds good. Should I bring a gift?
Only if you want. Just having fun is enough.
Great. I'm excited.
Me too. We can play games and eat cake.
I love cake.
Me too. You'll see, it's chocolate.
Yay! It's going to be fun.
Definitely. See you Saturday.
Can't wait.
Daniel, what's your hobby?
I like playing guitar. You?
I like drawing. I usually draw animals or people.
That's cool. Do you show your art to anyone?
Only my family. I'm a little shy.
Don't be shy. Your art is great.
Thanks. Maybe I'll show you someday.
I'd like that. I can play guitar while you draw.
That sounds fun.
What else do you like to do in free time?
I sometimes read books or watch movies.
Nice. I watch movies too. What's your favorite?
I like adventure movies. You?
Me too. Action and adventure are the best.
Maybe we can watch one together sometime.
That's a great idea.
And maybe we can draw or play music after.
Perfect. Hobbies are more fun together.
I agree.
Let's plan a day soon.
Yes, let's do it. Good morning, Erica.
Morning, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. The weather is amazing today. It's so sunny.
I know. The sun is shining and the sky is super blue. It feels really nice.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Yesterday was so different, right?
Oh, yes. Yesterday, it rained all day. I didn't even want to go outside.
Me neither. I just stayed home, watched a movie, and drank hot chocolate.
That sounds perfect. I just read a book and listened to some music. Rainy days make me sleepy.
Same here. Rainy weather always makes me want to nap.
Do you like rainy days, Daniel?
Not really. I like them only when I don't have to go anywhere. What about you?
Not really either. I prefer sunny weather. I feel more energetic when it's bright outside.
Exactly. The sun gives me good vibes. I like going for a walk when it's sunny.
Oh, that's nice. Do you go walking in the morning or the afternoon?
Usually in the morning. The air feels fresh and it helps me start my day.
That's a great idea. I should try that too. Maybe tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we can go together if you want.
Sure, that would be fun.
Okay, it's a plan. So, sunny morning walk tomorrow.
Sunny morning walk tomorrow. Let's hope it doesn't rain again.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.